Jamie from Fulshire has a question about driveway movement.
His slabs are moving in his driveway.
I got it.
Just like this.
That's why I said driveway movement.
They're moving out. Yeah, I'm just saying. I'd hate to think that his other slabs might be moving, but this is what he's talking about. See how he's got this big old gap that's going on there? They're on the move. Mm-hmm. He says, I'm worried about the foundation of the home because the driveway has all that movement going on it. So he wants to know, who does he call to fix something like this?
He's probably got a void under there. It's moving around.
Okay.
So it's Concrete Raising Corporation.
Really?
That would be the first place I would go.
Now, that would stop it from moving. It wouldn't put it back.
I don't think they can put it back, but they can stop it from moving, and they can fill that gap in with some grout or cement mixture and take care of it that way, or some of the modified urethanes. I'm not too worried about your foundation, but if you let that thing go, if it keeps moving around, the void gets bigger and bigger, water gets under there, and then it'll start to drop and crack and do all kinds of things. But it's savable, I think, right now.
Well, is it possible that he has a drainage issue on his property? Maybe he wants to have somebody look at that, because if it's got that kind of moisture walking around, you don't think?
Because it's an inside corner?
Yeah.
I think that gap that they left there has let the water go in there, and it had just finally digging it out.
Is that what it is?
Yeah, because we did that Facebook Live video with them, and it was the same situation. It didn't really move out, but it moved down, and it was in that inside corner.
Okay.
Remember we were standing on it, and they raised it back up?
Yeah.
So I think it's savable, but the only way to know is to call them first, have them come out and look at it.
Concrete Raising Corporation.
Concrete Raising Corporation.
All right. You got a question? Be happy to help you out the same way. Just visit HomeShowRadio.com. Right there in the middle of the homepage, there's the Ask Tom form. We'll take it and answer it either in another one of these daily Ask Tom videos, our weekly Facebook Live, or Sunday morning on Early Edition. Click on that thing, fill it out, send it in. We'll send you a video and something like that, and Chris will have cut off from this long before I've gotten this far. So it doesn't matter what I say. Member FDIC, void for early withdrawal. Open Sunday, plenty of free parking. Wide, spacious aisles full of smiles of helpful salespeople waiting to meet you.